How to auto number in Excel. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a very simple tutorial, some of the methods available if you want to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end for that. So we can start by going to Excel. For that, open up the Excel app and open up a document. I'm just going to open up a blank one for now. And once we open it up, what we can do is we can start by typing in the number. So in the first cell of your column, you can type in number one, and right below the cell, we can type in number two like this. And once it is done, you can select both of the cells available like this, and you can drag and fill the handle. So you will be finding a small arrow in the right side of the corner. So you can just go over and drag it down like this. Select it and drag and drop it down like this, and Excel will continue the sequence automatically. You can drag it to how much you want, like even till the end. You can just go and drag in and it will automatically give you the number that you're looking for. Apart from that, we can use the another method, which is using the formula. For that, what we can do is on the first cell of the column, which is like this. So in the first cell of the first cell of the column, what we can do is we can type in is equal to row, all capital. After that, type in bracket, empty bracket, and type in -1 and hit enter, and it will give you a first number, which is 0. So you can drag and drop this one. You can just go over and drag and drop it like this as well, and it will automatically give you number -1. Or just if your number starts in row 2, you can just go and press the enter and drag the formula, and auto numbers will be in your rows. You can just go over and follow up this process. So therefore, everybody, those who are part of the method, you can follow up if you'd like to fill out your Excel files. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.